Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for coming by. Today I am showing you how I apply the instant color wax from Cold Crew on my hair. This time I'm trying red. I have tried their gray and their gold. I loved their gray. I'm not so sure about the gold, but I am now trying red. And if you want to see how I apply it and also how it comes out on my hair, please stay tuned. If you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notifications button so that you don't miss any of the content that I put on this channel. If you're an oldie, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate you. I love your comments. Thank you for commenting. I am so thankful, you guys. Thank you so much. God bless you. So after applying the color wax on my hair, I am twisting it up. I'm doing a flat twist so that I can do a twist out tomorrow. I've learned that I get a better twist out if I do a flat twist. Two strand twists, the twist out is not as defined. The first time I applied a color wax on my hair, I applied it all the way from the root to the tip of my hair. And now I know not to do that. It doesn't come out nice. At least on my hair, it doesn't come out nice. So I'm staying clear of my roots and my scalp. So if you're using wax for the first time, I would also advise that don't put it on your scalp. Don't put it on the root of your hair. Just look at those curls, guys. Oh my goodness. I could actually wear my hair like that. Oh, wow. My goodness. Okay. Yeah, this is quite tempting. But today we are doing flat twists, so let's stick to that. The next morning, I am undoing the flat twist so that I can wear a twist out. I love the Cold Crew Instant Color Wax because it's so temporary. Like, I don't have to commit to the color. If I don't like it, then I can always wash it out. And that's what I like about this color. And the other thing is, it's not damaging to the hair. I'm not bleaching my hair first for me to achieve this straight color. So that's the main reason why I like this color wax, allowing me to wear any color of hair that I want any day. So you know me, I'm not very loyal to a hairstyle. I can change hairstyles anytime. So this also offers me that versatility to just think of a color that I'm going to wear on that day, and boom, I am in that color. Tell me, if you were to color your hair any color other than black, what color would it be? I would love to know. Like, I'm just curious. Look at that color just popping like that. Oh my goodness. Am I in love or am I in love with this color? Wow. I am so happy with this red. Like if I were to color my hair in future, I think I'll still go for this color. I think I love it more than all the colors that I've tried before. I love it. One thing you have to take note of is the fact that it still comes out on your hands. Can you see my hands there? It still comes out on your hands and also on your clothes, so that you don't spoil your clothes, especially whites. I didn't wear whites when I was wearing this hairstyle, but in any case, it washes off very easily. As far as furniture is concerned, like maybe your headboard or something that you don't want to wash, then please stay clear and maybe just put on a bonnet or something to protect your furniture. Otherwise, I loved this color. I stayed with this color for 6 days, and for all that time, the color was still staining my fingers and my clothes, but lesser and lesser. The good thing is it's not too difficult to wash off anyway. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. God bless you. Bye.